Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭，
我是杜华，
我是 Emily, and welcome to today's Practical Hakka. And you know, it's been a while since we featured Hakka music in one of our Hakka lessons. So what do you say to that, Ron?
I say let's do this now.
我们是说呢，我们很久没有为大家介绍客家歌曲，所以我们可不可以今天介绍一下？
今天来介绍一首的客家歌曲，它的歌名叫做《燕呢》。
燕呢，
就是燕子，
燕子 swallow，
燕子 swallow like the bird.
Exactly.
好，我们来听听这首歌曲《燕呢》。
燕呢，
Alright, 所以那首歌叫做《燕子》is a song about the bird swallow. I liked it a lot. I thought it was pretty.
我来介绍前面一小段的歌词，它是讲到说，远远的地方，太阳下山了，燕子回家，不管回家的路有多么的弯曲，不会忘记。
Okay, so we're gonna take up a lyric from the song, which basically means that the bird, the swallow, no matter how far it is from its home, it always finds its way back.
好，我们来教单字哈，燕呢，
燕呢，
燕呢，
就是燕子 swallow。
自由自在，
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 就是自由自在。
Okay, being very free.
像它里面有提到，像燕子自由自在的飞。冲燕呢，
冲燕呢，
冲燕呢，
自由自在嘅比。
自由自在嘅比，
自由自在嘅比，
东江嘅法，
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 就是美丽的花，很漂亮的花。
Oh, very beautiful flowers.
太阳 ，日頭，
日頭，
日頭 the sun.
还有回老家轉落鑊，
轉落鑊
轉落鑊。
That means going home.
那海陸腔回老家轉落鑊，
轉落鑊
轉落鑊。
Yeah.
Okay, so basically the song is about the travels of the swallow, and I guess that's it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太家暗自識張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.